So I just put my water in there. This is going to be for some coffee. The reason why I got this one is because it's better than the coffee cup that you constantly you have to be cleaning it, and this one's easier. Doesn't get so messy, and sometimes I like tea. So I just put water in there, and I kept this as just like a cover. So I'm taking it off, and then I'm going to press this. The blue light turns on. Then you're going to start hearing this sound. Let me get closer to it. Sounds like it's boiling already, but it's not. It's just heating up. It's just getting really hot. And it has these little holes up here. And you're going to be seeing some steam once it starts to boil. Seemed like this stopped. The noise stopped. Okay, I hear it now. So yeah, the first sound was just getting really hot, and now I hear the water boiling. And I do not want to take out the lid to show you guys, because steam starts blowing from there, so don't do that. You could get burnt. So I've been recording now for 1 minute and 45. So mine is like a few seconds before I started recording. And this is how long it takes to warm up. And there's about like a cup in there. Like a cup and a half of water in there. And you see some steam. I don't know if the phone captures it. It's just very little. I now have been recording for 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Oh, I don't know if you can see it. And then once it's boiling, which it is already, soon after this pops up on its own. You don't need to press anything. No, you cannot see it. So there, it popped up. And your water is boiling hot. I'm going to show you guys how hot it is. You can see that steam. And that's how hot it is. So normally, yeah, it takes about like 1 minute 20 or maybe 2 minutes to boil water, which is super fast. You save money on gas, which is really expensive here in California right now. And this takes about 2 minutes and some seconds in total to heat up without making a video, which is great. So I definitely love this purchase.
One minute.
love this kettle.
I was searching for an efficient way that I could have access to my tea all day long without having to get up and repeatedly go into my kitchen, aka break room area all the time. Just in a place where I could just like hit a button and just brew my water and make my tea like right there at my seat and then just drink it without actually stop working. And I like this teapot. This is nice. I can plug this in just about anywhere. It has its own base here that connects with the electricity to heat it up. It has a good capacity and a nice metal kind of thermal liner there to keep the water nice and hot. And that gooseneck pour, which I love for accuracy. Very cute. It's made out of a metal. It's got a simple off and on switch, I think. So, yep, up, down. There you go. There's the switch. And it does come with a good instruction manual. So for the price and functionality, versatility, I say definitely give it a shot.
Hey guys, so my kids bought this for me and I absolutely love it. I saw something like this in my hotel and I made a note and told my kids I really wanted one. It's super easy to use. It's got the gooseneck design. It's got the heating plate. And so here are some of the buttons to the degree, keep warm, and then you have all the functions that'll say the different teas you might want. Green, white, oolong, coffee, or to boil. So you just flip it on. You can turn it to the desired temperature, press it down to start it. And it's super easy. It starts, as you can see, it's starting to heat up and it heats up really fast in just minutes. And once I pour 1 cup, I can go back. If there's still some water in there, it'll just keep it warm for me. Love this guy.
Hi guys, today's review's on the Ulalov electric gooseneck kettle. What I love about this kettle is that it heats up super quick. It's 100% stainless steel. Overall, I think this is a great product. It has a beautiful design with the slender curved spout with the gooseneck nozzle, which allows precise and steady pour. It gives you full control over pouring with the speed and direction of the stream. It's stylish and it has a very elegant look to it. I think it's very complimentary to your kitchen, and overall I think this is a great Amazon find. I would rate this a 5 out of 5, and if you're looking for an electric tea kettle, I think this is the product for you.
Okay, so I had this on my wish list for Christmas and I got it and I love it. This is actually the first electric kettle that I've owned. I've always just used water on the stove, but I have been extremely impressed. It is very simple to use. You just push the button and then once it's boiled, it releases. And I want to say it takes I think it takes like 2 minutes to heat up the water. It is very quick, very easy to clean. And I love that it's aesthetically pleasing on our counter. So, and also pretty quiet too.
So I use this to display it in my barbershop suite, and it looks so perfect with the color, perfect size, heats up really quick, and it's really easy to use. It doesn't spill at all, unless you're using it the wrong way, obviously, but yeah, it's beautiful.
there's